Very good morning, friends. Actually, today I want to discuss about the trend line angles, how to understand the trend line angles. So many times we will not be able to catch the momentum, and even in the opening bell itself, the price gaps up or gaps down. So we tend to make mistakes, and immediately after gapping up, the price starts moving so fast. The momentum trade will be over within 15 to 20 minutes. But we are unable to catch that moment. And also we tend to do mistake by seeing the upward movement in the market. Many people enter the market when the trend is almost over all over. This happens on and on in the market. So I have found my own method of finding the angles. Uh, I'll use the angle, understand the angle. If there is any opportunity, you can immediately enter into the market. How I'm going to explain. So first you should understand the trend line angle. There will be a steep angle and shallow angles. So if you see a steep angle, steep means around if it is opening, if it is going in the angle of 90 degree or 80 degree, that is a steep angle. Steep angle. If the market is gapping up means not simply 0.5% gap up or anything. If it is gapping up more than 1%, 1.5%, you can anticipate for a steep angle in the market. That too, we have to see how to see. You can select the stocks from the pre-market itself. Some stocks will show 1% gap up in the pre-market itself. You can take them and keep it in your watch list. So if the market is gapping up, for example, in this example, I've taken the Deepak Nitrite, which gapped up. I'm on the 3 minutes time frame. I'll show you how to apply the angle also. 3 minutes time frame, it gapped up. It gapped up immediately, and it had given a very good opportunity. For example, I was just observing. I didn't take the trade, but I was just observing the call option of 3,100 or 3,200 call option uh, moved so fast from 50 rupees to 70 rupees, 70 and odd, more than that. So you could have pocketed in 20 points within a period of just 9:45, 15 to 15 to 30 minutes you could have pocketed. But is it possible? It's difficult actually. And when you see this type of movement, you tend to enter into the market and you get trapped. And immediately after 9:45, it started reversing also. It is starting because this was a steep angle. Steep angle could not sustain. How to know whether it is going to reversal? You can anticipate for reversals also in the market. You can go counter trade in this stock also. Even the counter trade, even the put option gave more than 20 points in this. So there was two opportunity for in this type of stock. For example, let's say I've utilized the angle. Let me go to the plain chart. Let it be here. I'm not going to disturb it. Let me go to the which stock shall I go? Any stock. Okay. Steep angle stock. Let me type Tata Motors. Tata Motors, see, it also gapped up, right? In the opening bell, it was here, 1,041 to 1,053. It opened around 1,056. So how much gap up? It is almost 1.6, 1.48 percentage gap up. So you have got an opportunity. And if you measure this angle, this is a steep angle. When it gaps up, it is a 90 almost 90-degree angle. So how to take the trade? We usually take the guidance as the moving averages and all those things, and we are unable to make out how to enter into the market. So many times we fail to. This is opening range movement. So how to catch this? So immediately when the pre-market opens, you take the angle, just put 90 degree. This is 90 degree, right? 90 degree. And also apply an angle because it has gapped up. So you want to know whether this is going to continue or whether it is going to fail. So whether you want to enter immediately, let me hide this moving average immediately or not. So you applied 90 degree on this angle on this chart. Preferably use log scale, not the normal scale, logarithmic scale. So you go to the settings and tick the logarithmic scale. So it will be very good. You will get a very good results on that. And next, take the same angle and I'm plotting it for 45 degree because 45 degree angle is considered to be a normal trade. If the stock is going within the 45 degree, let me do it, coordinate, I'll adjust it to 45 degree properly. So this trend, so I'm applying two angles, 90 degree and 45 degree. If the price is within the 45 degree, so you need not go for short. But after moving here, I'll show you how to measure the angle. After moving here, the price started stalling. It started coming down. So immediately people tend to go for shorting the market, reversal, thinking that reversal in the market. In this stock, it did not work. Why? I'll take another tool, which is very easy. It has been, already with angles it will come. That is Gann fan. So I'm placing this middle point, that is to 45 degree. This is the normal angle, 1 by 1. And I'm getting all these angles over here. Above 45 degree, it's already plotted. You need not plot actually. 1 by 8, 1 by 3, 1 by 2. As long as the market stays within the 45 degree and within this angle, here, what happened here is after reaching 1.8, this angle is actually, first angle will be 80 degree, around 80 degree, this will be 76 and it will be 71 and this angle comes to 61. So let me see the settings. Let me go to the settings and style 1 by 8. They have not given any angles for this 1 by 8 or not. They have marked it like that. But I have calculated the angle to be, see, if I take this angle comes to this angle comes to coordinate. Let me see 84 degree. Okay. And the same next angle comes to 76 degree. Okay. And the next angle comes to 72 degree. And then these are all the angles. this one will be 62 or something. So within the 40 degree, this side actually, when the price stays within this angle, you need not worry. See, already it started, the weakness started in this stock, momentum loss in the stock after, 9:45, it started coming down. It showed a red candle here, and then it crossed below the 76, 71, it came down to 62. But the thing is how it has traveled. The price traveled in a horizontal fashion. It did not come down. Steep angle did not show. It time-wise correction it showed. And finally it came down to this level. So this type of reversal is not good. You can be in the trade as long as stays within this angle, 62-degree angle. Once it starts coming below the 62-degree angle towards the 40-degree angle, then you need to worry and you need to immediately scale down your position. So this is one way of entering the stock. And you can also enter, you can also gauge reversal also. You can take a reversal opportunity in the angles. Angles are very, very important as long as price stays in the steep way, that is a momentum. Momentum trade you can take in this. So many times you might have seen the price going up and up like that. So you can cash in and you can enter into the trade angles. So apart from that, you should not rely only on the angle or anything, and you can use for your confirmation some moving averages. So I have used the 8-period, shorter period moving average in this case. You can see the market stalling and it started hugging around, it came down, reversal. There was no trade. After this, the Tata Motors stayed in the range. Same thing happened in the TCS also. I'm taking example. See, this was a steep angle, okay? Steep angle, just same way you plot it, okay? 90 degree, and then 45 degree, go to the coordinates, and you just adjust it to 45 degree. So then take this Gann-Fan. The central line, you let it be applied to the 45 degree. See, the momentum stalled immediately. So what is the point in trading? Only after, see, you can see, you could have taken a reversal trade after 11:50, 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock, how much it has given? From 12 o'clock, it has given almost 0.8% of fall, 0.67% of fall. This is not the way. Actually, you cannot go for reversal in this stock. Even for the momentum trade, it had finished within, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles itself. It started coming around 9:45. It was in a small range and it started coming. So you could not trade in this. So if you get a chance, and even the 8-period moving average also. Apart from that, let me go to the Deepak Nitrite back, because it was a good trade. Why? It gave a steep decline. See, the momentum was steep. So at 9:45, around 9:54, it was at the angle of, see, from this 80, 76 to 60, it was a steep angle. You can see it is a steep. You can see the rise in that. And the fall is also a steep. Even the moving average, it lags actually, and your trade will be very late. But price action, with the price action, you can go, but sometimes, as seen in Tata Motors and Tata TCS, reversal trades will be difficult actually. It was time-wise correction. They went horizontal fashion to the angle. This was a steep fall to the 45-degree angle, and I'm using another indicator. This is cycle swing momentum. It's very, very good actually. I don't know how they have coded, even they have not given the what are the indicators they have used for coding that. But simply it is beautiful, and this indicates reversals immediately. See, here, when it started moving here, you can see in this dark green color. Dark green color, here itself it started showing some sort of exhaustion actually, but the price pushed up to this level, and you can see divergence in the momentum started falling actually, started falling. And our indicator, I mean our angle is also showing. So you can, combining with this, you can take a trade, and it started coming down. You can started coming down. You could have been in a short trade. Even the angles also, if the price started moving down. This is the 20. I mean, this last angle will come to 18 or something. 18. No, 8 degree. 8 it will come. 14 it is showing. Yeah. So this has been coded like that. Gann-Fan has been with angles. Angles will help you to trade better, to assess the trend lines, because trend lines you cannot put trend lines. See, this is a trend actually. This is a trend line. You cannot apply trend line for this. You will do mistakes. You need you need 3 points actually. It is difficult to draw trend lines. With the angles change, if the price is going in a steep angle, you can anticipate for a correction in the market. Suppose if the price is traveling in a shallow way, with a shallow angles like this. Okay, let me go back. Okay, this here. Let me take the example. Let me go to the 5 minutes chart. Go back to this chart. In this way, the trend momentum, you can be in the trade. You can be in the trade. Why? See, I'm applying again the same process. I'm showing 90 degree and apply this 45 degree. 45-degree angle. See how the price has moved. Price has moved slowly. Slowly here, it made a top and it came down. It moved in a horizontal fashion. Again, it picked up. It was not a steep type of movement. Actually, the price is moving, hugging to the 45-degree balanced way. It is moving in a balanced way towards the upside. So this type of move, even you can take the trade, because this is not the steep angle. It's sustained. See, I'm taking the Gann-Fan and applying it. See, it is not going in this way. It did not travel steep to fall. If it is going a steep angle and a momentum trade, you can anticipate for a correction, immediate correction, reversals. Here, in this type of movement, you can go for a trend trade. You can hold your position if the price is going in this way. So it is a shallow way of correction. Shallow way, it moved up. Again, shallow correction, it moved up, and shallow correction. So it helps you, the trends trend, the way it is moving with the trend, angle, it will help you to take your decision, make your decision whether to be in the trade or not. So this type of movement you can anticipate. You can hold the position till the end, uh, end of the day. Let us go to the index, whether it works or not, angles will work or not, you can see that. Even in the index, see, you can see here, this is an example of steep correction. Okay, let me take the measurement of take the angle, put to 90 degree. This is the procedure. And you put another angle, 45 degree. Okay, 45 degree. So, see the movement, actually, see the movement. I am taking the Gann fan, okay? You could have taken trade here in this area. It was a steep correction, dropping down to 45 degree and gapping up to, going up to this 62 degree and going horizontally, and it started moving down. So around 1220, you got a very good reversal trade in the market. Very good reversal trade in the market, and you could have taken reversal trade even here itself with the help of the moving average, even with the help of but you tend to make mistakes in the options. Actually, what happens is it goes up and it comes down. You will not able to hold the position. Only if it is a confirmed way of taking trade is when it started falling below 40 degree angle, then the momentum down was confirmed, and the put option might have given you a very good here. Even this swing momentum in conjunction with your angles and also some moving averages, your criteria for your trade, you can utilize these as confirmation for your trade. These are the indicators you can utilize. One is moving average and the another is cycle swing momentum you can utilize in this. This is nothing. Actually, it has gone horizontal way. You cannot take the trade. So let me apply this angle. Even here, if you apply on this day, so it is a momentum trade. You immediately you can make out whether the stock is going, index, it has gone sideways. When it goes sideways, you will not, you will do lot of mistakes. Same procedure, mark it to 45 degree and take the Gann fan, see the price, how it has time-wise correction, time-wise drop. See, only here it came down and where it is gap down. See, if you put an horizontal line, the price has not gone anywhere. Though there is an angle change in the market, price has not gone sideways. Probably you would not have made money in either in call option or in the put option. So in this way, you can utilize even this price action is also sideways. So for your trade, immediately you try to whether to be in immediately some people opening bell itself within 15 to 45 minutes they make money and get out of the seas. You will get some stocks, you will get an opportunity like this and you can trade in the market. Okay, friends, this is all about the angles. You can utilize angles in your trade. It will show you remarkable change in your trade. And also, don't take single decision. Sole decision based on the angles. And you use in conjunction with this angle, some indicators for your trade like a moving average, RSI, or even this cycle swing momentum you can utilize and you can trade. Let me remove the drawings. Let me remove. Hope this will help you in your decision. Let me go back to the Deepak Nitrite and let me recap the whole thing. What is actually, you have to understand the trend line angle. If it is a steep angle, then you look for, you can, if it is a steep angle and steep correction, you can look for the, reversal trade if you are not able to enter into the market. I've explained you how you have to take with the examples of the Deepak Nitrite as well as Tata Motors and TCS. So you have to decide on your own. So if you do not get the trade, don't go for that. If it is you have to see whether the angle is very steep or shallow. If it is a shallow type, hugging around the 40-degree angle, I showed you the example of the Deepak Nitrite on the previous sessions, how it has moved like this. So you can be in the trade till the end, and you should not go for the reversal trades in this type of movement, shallow type of retracements. Only steep angles will provide you for the opportunity for the reversal trades. So you make your decisions. So back test your trade, back test many times by using these angles. See, I have shown you the method, how to apply the angles, how to go about it. And don't make an hasty decision. Take the consultation of other moving indicators. Indicators like moving averages and other RSI and everything. If they all come in conjunction, then you can go ahead and take your trade. Okay, friends, this will help you to trade better. Yes, it may bring you edge in your trade also. Using these angles, it may bring edge in your trade also. Even the simple price action will also tell you, but you tend to make mistake. Actually, you tend to make mistake. You are not able to decide because, see, here, the structure is, according to the price action, the structure is violated only here. You will be in a late trade, okay? Late trade, you cannot make it. So you can be early in your trade, you can enter early in your reversal trade. With these indicators also, you can do it. With the confirmation with the angle also, you can do it. Thank you very much, friends. Nalakshi Swami signing off.